Hello, ma'am.
Hi, Reem. How are you?
I am perfectly fine. I think I am perfectly visible and audible to you.
Yes, perfectly fine.
Okay. Thank you so much for giving me this time and opportunity to do the podcast with you.
I'm more than glad, yeah. I hope I'm
A huge,
audible, right?
you are perfectly audible. A huge thank goes to Punit sir, like for helping me to do this. So, the first thing that I want to ask you, if you just can do a small brief about you, like what's your current role?
Okay, so I am currently posted as Deputy Commissioner, so that's DCP Law and Order Traffic in
Ah,
Kochi City. So I kind
hmm,
of deal with the entire Kochi City law and order situation, may it be crime, may it be traffic. Then, say Kochi is like the heart of Kerala. So we have a lot
ah,
of white collar crimes. We have internal security related concerns that we should take for, take cognizance of. फिर बहुत
hmm,
सारे
hmm,
ये कॉस्मोपॉलिटन सा कल्चर है. इफ यू सी बाकी केरला में
hmm,
इट्स अ वेरी केरला सेंट्रिक पॉपुलेशन. पर अगर आप कोची में देखो, there are people from north of India, there are people from Maharashtra, there are lots of people from northeast. So the kind of exposure is brilliant. So handling,
hmm,
like along with the exposure, the crime situation is also very dynamic. So dealing with that,
hmm.
preventing and detecting crime, ensuring better crime investigation. So I'm ensuring that there's overall supervision. I have around 28 police stations under me that I
Ah.
supervise on my own in the entire city.
Do you check on social media how many fan followings you are having right now?
No, I would like to stay away from too much glare about the same.
नहीं आपके बहुत सारे वीडियोस है मतलब मैं वो नहीं बोल रहा हूँ इंटरव्यू वाला वीडियो तो बहुत कम है बट people just share your photos and things as a motivational point of view. So I've seen few of your stuffs like that. Okay. Uh, so where you were born and brought up, like where the most of the time when?
So I've actually been born and brought up like I'm a complete Mumbai girl, and
Oh.
my family is also based in Mumbai itself.
Hmm,
I
hmm.
did my schooling in Mumbai. I did my college. I graduated from St. Xavier's, Bombay, where I did my double majors in economics and political science in
Very good.
2015. और उसके
हाँ.
बाद immediately UPSC exam दी, and I cleared it in my first attempt then.
First attempt.
Yeah.
Yeah. So like how UPSC happened? Like anybody from your family is into bureaucratic profession earlier?
Not really, Veem. So there's nobody from my
Hmm.
family who's in the public service. It was something that
Hmm.
I've always wanted to do since my eighth standard. And it's a very silly story that goes back. Like there's been this entire
Childhood dream.
um, childhood dream also, and the entire idea
Uh,
of wanting to serve people and wanting to serve the nation as a whole. So
hmm.
that's something that
Hmm.
always inspired me. And I also felt like, obviously, serving the people, serving the nation, UPSC सिर्फ एक ही option नहीं है. There are many other options.
Uh,
So
uh,
I actually got on track also once I joined college. So
hmm.
many things, many factors, but one thing that went constant was the fact that I wanted to serve the larger good and serve people in the most
Yeah.
honest way possible. So yeah.
So आपने बोला ना कि मैं एकदम टिपिकल मुंबई का हूँ. So मुंबई से सीधा केरला हाँ like different culture diversity especially मुंबई मतलब मैं भी रहता हूँ मुंबई में so it's like रात पे 1 बजे भी you can go and have some food and that typical
Yeah, yeah.
metropolitan culture. So how are you connecting the dots and what was your homework before coming to Kerala? एंड एक चीज ना मैंने आपके ऊपर जब होमवर्क कर रहा था 2-3 वीडियो देखा तो मैं हैरान हो गया था परफेक्टली यू स्पीक दैट लैंग्वेज लाइक साउथ इंडियन लैंग्वेज इज नॉट सो इजी टू कैच इन ना लाइक
Yeah, right.
हाउ इज दैट होमवर्क गोइंग.
So actually, before coming to Kerala, like I cleared the examination, and जब Indian Police Service allot हुआ, I was allotted the Kerala cadre. So I obviously had I had fears, I had a lot of concerns कि भाई कैसे adjust करेंगे. It's not just the culture, it's the language, the food, the people, everything. It's obviously going to be very different. And coming from Bombay, कि मतलब as a civilian, now I speak as a police officer for Kerala, right? So as a civilian कि चलो 11 साढ़े 11 बजे जाओ बॉम्बे में, you're ensuring you're partying, as you're saying, by 1 o'clock also बाहर जाओ, चलो ड्राइव के लिए जाओ, always like great. अभी जब आप
हाँ
सोचते हो, it is more
हाँ
like you should have your caution around. You should ensure that people who are going out are safe. So entire tangent
हाँ
kind of changes. So that is
हाँ
true, and obviously adjusting took some time. Yet is taking time.
हाँ
Speaking the language, I think that was one of the biggest concerns which I thought I would have. पर जब हम civil service देते हैं, and when
हाँ
we sign up for the most unknown. And I
okay
think when I got this, I obviously was very skeptical. बहुत challenge कर रही थी, खुद को challenge कर रही थी. People around me, obviously, you know how people are. They're there to challenge you
हाँ
all the time, question you. So
हाँ
that obviously was a very difficult time. It yet is, because obviously आपको लगता है कि आप outsider हो, आप कैसे how will you kind of manage in this entire setup? But I think you take it heads
हाँ
on. And हमारी जो police training जो होती है, and once you become a civil servant, you carry a certain image and you want to maintain that for the country and for the service itself.
हाँ
So adjustment
हाँ
हो जाता है. So when you asked about the language, there
हाँ
have been a lot of times, like I'm standing in the middle of a law and order crowd कि
हाँ
there were times पहले कि भाई I'm trying to communicate to them in English या Hindi, पर
हाँ
opposite crowd, they're not understanding. Then I realize I
yeah
have to understand. I'm continuously dealing with people. तो
yeah
people told me कि चलो भाषा सीखनी है तो आप movies देख लो. But
हाँ
I'm not too much of a movie buff. Like if I watch a movie,
हाँ
चलो subtitles ही देखते जाओ, so it wasn't quite learning. But what
हाँ
I did is I started speaking to a lot of people. Like जो भी आए, just speak to them in
हाँ
Malayalam. Like whatever, कुछ भी Malayalam हो, grammar हो, vocabulary हो. But that actually built my confidence. And I
हाँ
think that really helped. But Kerala per se is a great place. People are nice. They are very aware of what they want. Very, very aware.
हाँ
So it always keeps you on your toes. आप कभी भी आपकी position you will never take it for granted, because people are always watching you. So that's great. So as a personal growth के लिए, it's great, I think.
yeah one more Aishwarya ma'am is watching. Thank you Aishwarya ma'am for joining. Your batchmate only. I think you are one of
Yes,
your
yes.
best.
Hi Aishwarya. Hi
Yeah
Aishwarya. So glad to see you.
yeah I just did a podcast I think 2 days back.
Yes.
Yeah. अभी इतने देर में पुनीत सर ने ज्वाइन किया. पुनीत सर थैंक यू सो मच इतना कुछ करने के लिए. Okay, so can you tell me something in that language, like anything, like I have done my job or anything. मेरे को बहुत fascinating लगता है. Like I'm still shocked how you like got that language in a go.
So okay, എൻ്റെ പേര് ഐശ്വര്യ ആണ്. ആൻഡ് ഞാൻ എല്ലാ ദിവസത്തേക്ക് രാവിലെ 7 മണിക്ക് ജോലി തുടങ്ങിയിട്ട് വൈകിട്ട് ഓഫീസ് തന്നെ ഞാൻ 8:30 മണിക്ക് തിരിച്ചു വരും. ഓഫീസത്തേക്ക് കൂടുതൽ ലോ ആൻഡ് ഓർഡർ ഞാൻ നോക്കുന്നുണ്ട്. പിന്നെ മേഡ് ബി ക്രൈം ഇൻവെസ്റ്റിഗേഷനത്തേക്ക് ഞാൻ പേഴ്സണലി ആയിട്ട് സൂപ്പർവിഷൻ ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ട്. സോ ഇത് എൻ്റെ ജനറൽ ആയിട്ട് ജോലിയാണ്. ഓരോ ആഴ്ചത്തേക്ക് ഞാൻ 7 ദിവസത്തേക്ക് ജോലി ചെയ്യും. So this basically says that obviously this is my name, and I start my duty at 7 in the morning and I work till 8:30 in the evening. I look at law and order, I look at crime investigation and prevention, and I work 7 days a week as per our requirement for the job. So that's what I meant. That's what I said.
Thank you for the subtitles. दिमाग के पूरे ऊपर से निकला था वो वाले. Okay, so like when you sit down nowadays, like do you see yourself down the line 10 years back, like कहाँ से शुरू किया कहाँ आ गए, like how you look into yourself?
I think I've really challenged myself in some of the most
Hmm.
unknown ways, actually. So, a lot of people who know me like since college, and a lot of my college friends who have also joined in, so that's great. So,
Oh.
they've always known me to be, like very studious and very academic oriented, which is great. But,
Hmm.
जब police में आने के बाद, you're trying to maintain a mix where you're maintaining and ensuring that
हाँ.
there's a brilliant balance between your mind and your body, because it's necessary, right? So it's a
Hmm.
physically taxing job as well. So I never
Hmm.
saw myself here, obviously. And to be very
Hmm.
honest to you and to the viewers, I'm actually a dancer as well. So I've been trained in Bharatanatyam for almost 22 years
I
before
saw one
joining
of your
service.
videos there in the YouTube.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So I used to
Hmm.
dance. I used to teach as
हाँ.
well. I taught almost for 4 years at our academy called Nrityangan Academy of Fine Arts.
हाँ.
So yeah, so it's
See,
been
Ganesh sir
a
also joined.
yeah. So it's been a great journey so far.
हाँ. So अभी समय मिलता है तो वो सब करते हो? Dance and like पैशन.
I
anything
try
like
to
that?
maintain that. I really try to maintain that क्योंकि I
Hmm.
feel कि आप जो public life में हो, professional life में हो, I am a
Hmm.
police officer, but in my personal
Hmm.
space, I yet want to be somebody who is like always reading, always like wanting to dance. So I try to make time. I'm
हाँ,
not saying as frequent as before, but definitely I
हाँ.
try to do in plug in some time.
What is the breach basically? वो जो switch on and switch off होता है ना जिंदगी का, like in your profession, आपने जैसे बोला कि law and order, तो ऐसा तो होता ही है कि like बहुत खुश मिजाज से अपने उठे, सुबह सुबह ऑफिस गए, and there's something like murder case or something like that typical है. तो मतलब वो जो फिर switch on into that typical professional life and then again to come to house because जिंदगी के हर problem it cannot come into home ना, like
Hmm.
फिर लोग परेशान हो जाएंगे, अरे यार फिर क्या. So how you balance that switch on and switch off of professional and personal life?
So to be very, very honest with you, I'm yet
हाँ.
struggling with that. ठीक है? So yet
हम्म.
struggling, yet trying to figure out. But at least one thing I'm very clear कि बस जब घर आए, I'm
हम्म.
very like a very family oriented person. I like talking to people. So
हम्म.
अगर something is affecting me, if it's in my professional space, I will come and speak
हम्म.
to somebody. And I think in recent times, especially अब अगर COVID का situation भी अभी अगर आप
हम्म.
देखो, a lot of us are
हम्म.
going through. I'm saying, as you asked me, कि चलो madam आप in your professional space, there's a lot of trauma, there is a lot of
हम्म.
tension. How do you deal with it? I think
हम्म.
speaking about it to people,
हम्म.
maybe some,
हम्म.
maybe professional, or may it be your own family, anybody you're close to. I think that
हाँ.
really helps.
हाँ.
So that ability to actually speak out enables me
हाँ.
to maintain that balance, and also the very idea कि बस स्विच ऑफ करना है, वो अवेयरनेस आई थिंक वो उतना भी अगर हो, आई थिंक दैट्स रियली हेल्पफुल.
Are you a foodie person?
To be very honest, not really. I'm not very specific about food, but coming to Kerala, I have begun
हाँ.
enjoying the cuisine, but definitely I miss my vada pav and all my street food in Bombay.
Okay. And like I personally feel sometimes like in our life we meet a lot of friends, like you might be having your school friend, college friend, then your labasana friend and bureaucratic friend, I mean to say that. uh, and हर इंसान की एक अलग अलग criteria होता है, sometimes we also learn from them. So if I want to ask you, like if you can say like these were my friends and this is something I learned from them, is there anything like that?
From my friends, like a lot. Like I really take the idea of being extremely calm, like from some of my really close friends. Like
Hmm.
however exhaustive and explosive the situation is, बहुत calm
Hmm.
तरीके से they handle it. The other
Yeah.
thing is a lot of people, they put in humor to tension.
हाँ.
When there's a
हाँ.
very अगर बहुत tension हो, they'll just smile it out or they'll crack a joke. And अगर
हाँ.
मैं होती, I'll be sitting with like a really sour face or like ये कैसे हो रहा है and everybody. But the
हाँ.
opposite person will
हाँ.
just crack a joke and things get so much better. So I think that's another
हाँ.
thing that I take from them. Yeah.
Like आप personally कि आप बहुत strict and angry sort of person हो कि like very friendly.
I
Like
think
if we
I'm
keep
very
that IPS thing beside, like then I'm talking about. Yeah.
keeping all of that aside, I do I'm really open and very easy. बहुत easily मैं manage कर लेती हूँ लोगों के साथ. I can be
Hmm.
really friendly. I gel along very well, and I like to do that. मैं बहुत social हूँ, and लोगों से
Hmm.
बात करना मुझे बहुत पसंद है. And
हाँ.
पर हाँ, गुस्सा तो आ जाता है. And like immediately I'm like, whoa, explosion.
Okay. So like मैं अभी थोड़ा थोड़ा सीख रहा हूँ about because मैं तो एस्पिरेंट हूँ नहीं, मुझे इतना नॉलेज है नहीं, but sometimes I feel that you would get fascinated with the typical parks that has been shown, like जो bureaucratic parks होता है ना ऑफिसर. what do you feel like कुछ लोग होंगे कि वो parks को देख के अपनी जो गोल होता है क्रैक करने का वहीं से they get distracted. what will be your like advice to them to get focused and not to be distracted seeing those things in life?
अवीम, टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट ना, पहले जैसे अगर आप जैसे सोच रहे हो, मैं बहुत डिसमिसिव हो जाती थी कि अगर आप सिर्फ गाड़ी या मकान या घर के बारे में सोच रहे हो,
Hmm.
दैट्स नॉट अ ग्रेट थिंग. but I feel each of us have different reasons why we get into service. Obviously,
Yeah.
अगर आप overall angle से देखो, you should be very clear कि these are not the only reasons. Okay, it could be some of the reasons, पर
Hmm.
अगर वही
Hmm.
reasons हो तो आप definitely maybe it will inspire you, आप join कर लोगे, पर उसके बाद
Hmm.
like you will waver somewhere.
हाँ.
एंड एट द एंड ऑफ द डे, अगर आपको अच्छी नींद रात को नहीं आए बिकॉज योर कॉन्शियंस इज प्रिकिंग कि आज ये
क्या
गलत
बात.
हुआ, ये
Hmm.
आई थिंक विल बी द वर्स्ट थिंग इवन आफ्टर हैविंग योर घर, गाड़ी, मकान, एवरीथिंग. सो इफ योर
Hmm.
कॉन्शियंस इज समथिंग कि अगर नहीं मैंने जो किया है गलत है, I'm not able to sleep properly, I think that will be one of the biggest points where you should analyze yourself. पर आई रियली फील कि अगर जो भी एस्पिरेंट्स हो और अगर आपका पेज
Hmm.
देख रहे हैं, दे शुड नो, लाइक आई थिंक कि जो आपका गोल है, प्लीज थिंक अबाउट इट. एंड ये जो गोल है, देर आर लॉट ऑफ वेज. योर लार्जर गोल इज टू सर्व पीपल, योर लार्जर गोल इज टू सर्व द नेशन.
Hmm. हाँ.
टू रीच
हाँ.
देयर आर लॉट्स ऑफ अदर वे. चलो यूपीएससी एक वे है, पर अगर यूपीएससी भी अगर क्रैक नहीं हो, देर आर अदर वेज, राइट? यू कैन जॉइन एन एनजीओ, यू कैन जॉइन मे बी अ थिंक टैंक. आप चाहो
Hmm.
तो यू नो कुछ गवर्नमेंट जॉब, दूसरे गवर्नमेंट जॉब में जाओ. यू कैन ऑलवेज सर्व फॉर अ लार्जर गुड. तो एंड हमेशा करेक्ट होना चाहिए. मीन्स कैन बी डिफरेंट. So that end
Hmm.
which you take, the end which you have in mind should be very clear. If you
Hmm.
have कि चलो मुझे ये perks भी चाहिए, let it be an add-on, let it not be your only end. So that's what I feel.
क्या बात है. Like, what, like, if you are not an IPS officer, what was your alternate profession?
I've always wanted to work in a think tank. So ये जो public
What's
policies
that?
and so a think tank is basically where a lot of academicians कि चलो आप research
Hmm.
papers लिखो और that kind of influence policy decisions government level पे,
Hmm.
state government level
Hmm.
पे. So I wanted to do that. I write a lot. So I have my own blog. So I write them. So
Hmm.
maybe since I was not able to obviously get into wanting to become a
हाँ.
think tank or a policy analyst, I try to write. Like the idea of wanting to get there is to serve people and to write. So now I'm
Hmm.
doing it in isolation. I'm serving people and I'm writing separately. So,
एक्स्ट्रा मेहनत है काम खत्म होने के बाद.
yeah.
Okay. So, for how many years you learned Bharatanatyam?
I learned for almost 22, 23 years and yet counting. We yet
My
learn. We
goodness.
yet learn. We have our own academy called Nrityangan Academy of Fine Arts. So
Where it is?
it's based in Bombay itself. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So, like, who runs it right now?
It's my mother and my sister.
Oh, like you got it from the family.
Yeah. It's my mother's own run academy. So it's been
Ah.
almost almost 30 years since we've started this academy and so going strong.
Okay. So, मैं इसीलिए पूछ रहा हूँ, like being a musician, you know, आपने भी ये चीज पता होगा कि जो राग होता है ना, like you know about ragas
जी
and all,
जी
हर
जी.
राग की एक चरित्र होता है ना, like ऐसे भैरव को सुबह किया जाता है, इमन को शाम को किया जाता है, you know, then मेघ मल्हार जब बारिश आती है तब किया जाता है. तो ऐसे राग की चरित्र भी डिसाइड किया जाता है with the current situation, you know. Like if we see in your profession, you need to meet a lot of people, you know, like might be somebody from the department, the normal people, politicians and stuff like that. What will be your suggestions to change with that current people, like how you do it? Like, you know, हर इंसान को जज करके वैसे बातें करना. What's your goal on that?
Obviously हम जब मिलते हैं, we meet people from various strata of society. जैसे आप कह रहे हो कि हम एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव और जो सरकारी लोग हैं उनसे मिलते हैं, फिर जो एकदम वालनरेबल से कोई विक्टिम हो रेप का या कोई विक्टिम हो कुछ अब्यूज का, we meet them. Then we also meet perpetrators, कोई murderer हो या rapist हो or somebody who's an anti-social or an anti-national element. तो एक दिन में we meet like a crazy amount of people.
Yeah.
पर I just feel कि जब भी आप किसी को भी देखो, आप bias के साथ मत देखो. Like if I know this person is a murderer, okay, आपको क्या लगे, like बाहर का क्या perception है कि चलो murderer हो तो मेरे मन में there should be anger, there should be like hatred, there should be like you're questioning, that should be annoyance. पर मुझे वैसे नहीं लगता. I just feel there's a sense of neutrality. You have to look at each person. हर आदमी जो आता है, हर औरत जो आती है, he or she has her own story. अगर उसने जो भी किया है, I'm not justifying. पर जो भी हो, अगर आप जितने न्यूट्रल एंगल से देखो, उतना बेटर आपका रिस्पॉन्स होता है उनके लिए. If, say, for example, I look at somebody who's a murderer and I'm only filled with anger, कि बस गुस्सा ही है, तो जो आप जो दिखा रहे हो उसको, you're just showing one emotion. And I think as a person, I'm not just one emotion, right? I am somebody who is a decision maker. I'm somebody who has to understand his history, why he committed it. So that is there. Similarly, अगर आप किसी औरत को देखो who is like a victim, obviously heart fills with empathy, heart fills with sympathy. पर आप ऐसे ही नहीं देखोगे कि चलो आप victim हो, I will just listen to your side of the story. You have to listen to somebody else's side of the story and then take a decision. So that neutrality of emotions is very important, is what I feel, when you deal with anybody.
Do you believe in face reading, like especially to strangers? Like होता है ना कि अरे नहीं ये तो ऐसा हो गया, ये तो खरूसी होंगे. Like just give an example. है कभी कभी लगता है ना अरे ये बहुत मस्त इंसान हो गया. Like do you believe in that face reading thing?
Face reading per se तो नहीं बोलूंगी, पर body language and vibes. तो I'm a very perceptive person. तो ये बहुत mystical sound करेगा, but I really, जब आप किसी से बात कर रहे हो या somebody comes in front of you, there's every person, each of us, and I'm a very I believe in a lot of spirituality. तो the energy each of us carries is very holistic. तो अगर कोई भी आदमी या औरत मेरे सामने आए, the person may not speak anything, may not have any facial expression, maybe just standing, but I think the energy of the person reaches out to me. And I think that itself is a sense of awareness कि चलो ये आदमी या औरत ऐसी होगी. But I think it's also too early to judge, but हो जाता है थोड़ा biases दिमाग में.
What is your perspective talking with me अभी तक के?
Oh, I think it was really nice and really fun, and especially when you called me and we tried to do the call, and also some of my friends who did the call with you, Aishwarya, Puneet, they had great things to say about you. So I think your perception carried, and I really hope that आप जो भी करो, even the people who are watching, you always carry that happiness कि चलो मुझे कुछ करना है, and I like that zeal, I really like that zeal that you want to reach out to maximum people. You really want people to be involved in being engaged with you. So I think that's a very great quality that I found in the few times that I've interacted with you.
बस बन गया मेरा टैगलाइन इतना अच्छा प्रमोशन करने के लिए. Okay. मैं ज्यादा टाइम नहीं लूंगा. There's a last question that I want to ask you. You said in the first that बहुत सारे challenges देखा है. हर इंसान देखते हैं जिंदगी में struggle and challenges. What was your challenges and mostly ये वीडियो जो आज देख रहा है या कुछ साल बाद देखेंगे उनके लिए भी एक लर्निंग होगा कि when somebody is going through a down phase in life so that they can also learn from your challenges and how you overcame that situations in your life.
So a lot of challenges actually. तो जब आप यूपीएससी के एग्जाम के लिए प्रिपेयर कर रहे हो, फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई कम फ्रॉम लाइक से फ्रॉम बॉम्बे में बहुत सारा तभी उतना एक्सपोजर नहीं था. Like what is UPSC and why are you preparing?
You didn't went to that Rajendra Nagar?
Oh, I did go for some time. I prepared a little bit from there, yes. So perception बहुत था कि उम्र बहुत छोटी है, आप सिर्फ 22 years के हो, आप तो क्लियर ही नहीं कर पाओगे. It's impossible to do it. People take like 7 years and so long and they give in all their life. So I took a break here. That graduation होने के बाद I took a break here just to prepare. And people are like आप ऐसे इतना बड़ा रिस्क कैसे ले सकते हो. So it was a very challenging time, and especially जब you want it so badly, okay, and people are pulling you down, it definitely affects, and that really affected me, to be very honest with you. बहुत emotionally vulnerable हो जाते हैं, फिर आप खुद को बहुत क्वेश्चन करने शुरू करते हैं. Then say for example उसी टाइम में I actually cut off from my friends, I cut off from social media क्योंकि उस टाइम मुझे डिस्ट्रैक्शन सा लग रहा था कि नहीं ये मेरा गोल है and this is only what I want. And so I really tried to focus just on my goal. But जैसे आप कह रहे हो बहुत सारे लोग will always be there, not just during that time, right now, tomorrow, day after, continuously. For you, for me, everybody, they'll always want to pull you down. So difficult situations were there in the past, are there now, will be there in the future. But I believe like our life is like a boxing ring. Okay, if somebody boxes you down, you can stay down. Okay, and you can stay down and you lose. But the day but that moment when you actually get up, maybe bleeding, sweating, questioning yourself, but that moment when you get up, when somebody's pushed you down, I think that is the turning point at every juncture of your life. It should be. So considering life as a boxing ring, and the ball is always in your court. Standing up on your own feet will always make you pat your back and be like, "Chalo shabash, you can yet go ahead." So that I
Yeah.
think is a motto that I really want to continue taking ahead in life. So yes.
Hmm. Thank you so much, ma'am, for giving this time and opportunity. It's really a pleasure. मुझे इनिशियली लगा नहीं था आप करोगे क्योंकि you don't do much of interviews, but it's really a pleasure to have you. And थोड़ा लॉकडाउन ठीक हो जाए. Hope to see you someday in my cinematography वाला video in Kerala.
Sure, Veem. Wishing you the very best and wishing all your viewers like hope that they stay safe.